Ipatupad na po ng Toll Regulatory Board o TRB ing karelang 9-point Semana Santa travel measure bang asiguro ing masaleseng biyahe kareng Mialiwang Expressway ngeni pong long weekend. Siniguro ng TRB Executive Director Attorney Alvin Carullo makabuklat na ring ganaganang toll lane at magpatupad la namang counterflow kareng congested areas nung kailangan. Agpang naman king presidente ng North Luzon Expressway o NLEX Corporation at sula king full alert hanggang April 1 bang manage nga sahang 10% pamagtas king traffic volume ngening Holy Week. Atin muna mga libreng towing service kareng peka malapit ta exit para kareng Class 1 vehicles kalupak king NLEX Connector Road, NLEX at Subic Clark Tarlac Expressway o SCTEX. Available ini manibat alas 6 ning abak king March 27 hanggang alas 6 ning abak ning March 29. Makanyan mo naman po manibat March 30 hanggang April 1 king parehong oras. Mitalakad la naman kanong motorist assistance stations karing toll service facilities. Amuyutano mo naman ning TRB ding toll operators at concessionaire ibalaos ing pamag-post traffic updates kareng-karelang social media at traditional media platforms. Suspended lamo naman ding hanggang roadworks at aliwapang infrastructure activities kareng expressways hanggang pong April 1.